Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I'm going to do a cook with me for dinner and a little bit of a vlog style video. We're gonna be grilling out tonight. We've got pork chops and I'm gonna make some twice baked potatoes. I've already started it, so I figured I would share how I make them. I've made them a few times before and they've been really good, so hopefully they turn out again this time. And yeah, we're just going to work on dinner. We've done some projects outside this weekend, nothing major, just a little bit of a landscape refresh, and then we're starting to like plan out what we're gonna do as far as like home renovations over the summer since it is getting warmer outside. So let's go ahead and get started with what we're cooking. So for the twice baked potatoes, you're gonna need some potatoes, probably like 8 to 10 I would say, but these are a little bit smaller potatoes, so it depends on the size that you have. I will share the Pinterest recipe that I follow down below in the description. The first thing you're gonna do is just rinse them off, dry them, and then you're gonna put some fork marks in it and then season with olive oil and salt and pepper. And then we're going to put the oven on 400 degrees and put them in for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we'll take them out and scoop out the filling for the twice baked part. So let's go ahead and put these in for 45 minutes and see how they look after that. And then over here, we've got our pork chops. So I've just lined a pan with foil, lined them up. We're gonna put these on the smoker. I've been snacking on these pretzels. We just got them today and they are so good. So let me know if you guys have ever tried these. They have a little bit of a buttery garlic flavoring. So if you like that, you would love these. They're so addicting. Okay, mom is putting the rub on the pork chops. It's just a little bit of brown sugar, Country Bob's dry seasoning. That's kind of like a local area seasoning. I don't know if that's everywhere. Lowry's salt and pepper. What else? Garlic powder. Did you use onion powder too?
No onion powder.
Okay, so yeah, just made our own. We're gonna season them up and then stick them on the smoker.
You drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Okay, it's super windy out, but you guys can see the rock that we put in, so hopefully you can hear me okay. But we added boxwoods up here to the front and it really pops with the white, and we did more landscaping around there with the white, and we did some around the back as well. Okay, and off the back porch, we did a little bit of landscaping around here too. So basically we took some bushes out that were in front, and then we've got the 2 green bushes in the back. Looks so much better in that little nook. And then we had a plant over here that we took out because we are about to extend our patio. We're gonna pour more concrete all around here. So that's going to be going down this week. And then Brooks is getting a new swing set, so we are going to sell this one that he's had for a little while, a couple years, but he's just outgrown it and he's going to get like a full-size swing set. So we're going to do some more rock work with that. That is the weekend projects that we've been up to. But I also wanted to show you guys our smoker. It's a little bit dirty right now, but it's from Walmart and it's the Pit Boss brand, and it is so good, you guys. My parents have a Traeger, which is like more of a name brand smoker, and it's really good too, but this one is a little bit bigger, and for the price you can't beat it. So if you guys want a new smoker for summer / spring, definitely get this. We're also going to make some corn on the cob. So we've got some hot water. I'm just going to put it on probably like medium-high heat and let it boil for a little bit. Okay, potatoes are out of the oven, so I just cut them in half, and we're going to scoop out the potatoes in the middle, leaving a little bit around the edge, and then we'll put the skins back in the oven to crisp them up. And then in the meantime, we're going to make our potato mixture. So I've got 4 tablespoons of melted butter, We have some chopped up bacon, a 1/3 cup of warm milk, and then I'm gonna get 1/2 cup of sour cream, and then I'll get the potatoes in and we'll do the rest of the seasoning. Stick the skins back in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes so they can get nice and crispy and keep their shape. Okay, now we're going to add the sour cream, butter, and our spices. So I've got 1/2 cup of sour cream and I've got all of the potato filling in there as well. So that's ready to go. I've got my milk warmed up. So this is a 1/3 cup of warm milk. First, we're gonna do 1/3 teaspoon of salt. You can add more later to that if you want. 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed and pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of the garlic powder. And what else? Chives. So dried chives, we will need 1 teaspoon. Okay, that smells so good. Okay, we're gonna mix this up first, and then we'll add the bacon and cheese. One and a half cups. All right, so this is a full 2 cups of cheese, so I'm just gonna eyeball it, and we're gonna add the rest of it to the top, so these get nice and cheesy. About 3/4 of a bag. And then we're gonna add in our bacon. Pretzels. And we'll mix that up. Here is the potatoes. Oh my gosh, they look so good. So we're gonna go ahead and put these into the skins now that they have crisped up a little bit. We also have some broccoli we're steaming and corn on the cob. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cheddar cheese to the top of these, and you could also do extra bacon bits if you have them. Usually makes it real good. And then we'll put them back in the oven for 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. Meat is done. Looks so good. All right, so here is the dinner. I'll go ahead and plate one and show you what it looks like. Looking good. So these are just the Crust Ease brand. We just grabbed these from the store. Mixed them up in the mixer. Dipping them in sugar.
Can I try them?
Yeah, you can try one after they come out of the oven. Back from our walk, and Brooke's got a cookie. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you have fun walking?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we've got our windows open. Feels so nice. All right, we'll try these out and see how they are. They look pretty good. What did Mimi get for your bath?
I got you alligator. It's supposed to grow when it has water on it.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. Okay, you guys know I got this birdhouse whenever we went to Waco back in the fall, and I was planning on doing like repainting it and making like a top on it or a floral arrangement or something. So I'm going to paint it tonight, and I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white for the whole house, and then for the trim and stuff I'm going to use this matte black from Apple Barrel. So I'm just gonna use some chalk paint brushes that I got from Walmart and then like a flat brush for the trim. But first I'm gonna wipe it down with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and then we'll get started painting.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like?
All right, it's the next day now. I finished the little farmhouse last night, but I am not that sure about it, to be honest. I feel like I need to do something different with the top. And then it also was really hard to paint around the windows, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. But nonetheless, I'll show you guys what it looks like and you can let me know what you think. Here it is. So I added this Happy Easter sign to it, and it does have a chip down here at the bottom, so I'm going to have Taylor like cut this off halfway. But yeah, it's just a little house. I feel like, I don't know if I like the floral in it. You guys let me know what you think. But there it is. So if I take all of the floral stuff out, I would probably do like a tin roof or maybe like a black and white roof, but I don't have like all of the florals that I would like to use right now. So once everything dies off and we can like go out again, I might go and get some different greenery. So let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you don't, it's not gonna hurt my feelings, but this did take a lot longer to paint than I was anticipating. We're about to go take some Easter pictures of Mr. Brooks at Mama's house. So I'm gonna go get his clothes picked out for that. Okay, so here is his outfit that I'm gonna have him wear. I am not really 100% sure what we're gonna do as far as pictures go. I'm just gonna take them with my camera, but I got all of this from Target. So just this little button-down dress shirt. I think it was $12.99 from the Cat and Jack brand. And then I just got him a white t-shirt to go underneath it. And then I found these shorts by Cat and Jack. They're just like the quick dry ones. I thought they looked nice. They were $11.99. And then these little brown shoes that kind of look like Birkenstocks. He had some of these last year and these were $16.99. So, and then I've got this big Easter basket I thought we could use and do something with. So that is the game plan. Alright, I'm back in my office about to drink my coffee and edit this video, so make sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked seeing what's for dinner and cooking with me and seeing a little bit more of a vlog style video. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I'll post the pictures that I take of Brooks today over on there, so make sure you don't miss out on that, and make sure to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.